Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, best wishes to all of us, whom I respect to Mrs. Ernie as an English lecturer and friends. We give thanks to the presence of the Almighty God. On this occasion, I will deliver a speech about my opinion about smoking in campus area currently. Many students still smoke in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking in the campus area is a bad thing to do. The campus should be a safe and comfortable place for everyone, because cigarette smoke can cause various diseases such as respiratory problems, and that is very detrimental and also makes people uncomfortable. Let's together create a clean, safe, and comfortable environment without cigarette smoke. Thank you for your attention. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, like a passion, no time to break. You don't need no action, cause you are my tree. I pray for watching you, so what's your eye?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I would like to greet the Honorable Mrs. Annie as an English lecturer. I would like to present my PowerPoint presentation entitled Question Words. Before we get into the material, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Zahra Salsabila. I am a student at Binasaran Informatika University with the student ID number 62250126, and I am from the class of 641H01. Next, let's get into the material. Question words. Question words are words commonly asked to ask for information. Question words are usually asked at the beginning of a sentence. For example, what's your name? Where do you live? Objective. Question words are used to form and formulate questions to obtain information. Question words are typically asked to ask for more specific information, knowing the detailed answer to what we want to know, and also makes communication clearer and easier to understand. List of common question words. Common and frequently asked question words are divided into 6 parts: what, where, when, who, why, and how, also known as the 5W plus 1H, and also have their respective meanings and others such as. Number 1 is what. What usually asked to ask about object and general information. For example, what's your name? What is that? What do you see? What did you eat? And what happened? Number 2, where. Where usually asked to ask about place, location, and situation. For example, where do you work? Where is my phone? Where is the zoo location? Number 3, when. When usually asked to ask about times. For example, when will we study together? When are we going shopping? When is your birthday? Number 4, who. Who usually asked to ask about people. For example, who are you talking to? Who is your best friend? Number 5, why. Why usually asked to ask for reasons. For example, why do you come? Why are you crying? Number 6, how. How is usually asked to ask about method and condition. For example, how are you? How can I go to the station? How old are you? Values from how. How is divided into 5 parts: authors, how much, how many, how old, how far, and how long. How much. How much is usually asked to ask about the number of objects that cannot be counted like money, time, and water. For example, how much money do you have? How many and how old? How many is usually asked to ask about the number of objects that can be counted such as books, objects, and the people. For example, how many siblings do you have? How old? How old is usually asked to ask someone's age. For example, how old your sister? How far and how long? How far is usually asked to ask about distance. For example, how far is it from home to the station? How long? How long is usually asked to ask about the length of time or can also be called duration. For example, how long is the movie? General structure of question words. Question words usually have a structure like question words plus auxiliary like do, does, is, are, and etc. Plus subject plus verb and plus object. For example, what do you eat for breakfast? Question word is what? Auxiliary is did. Subject is you. Verb is it. Object is for breakfast. Structure if the question word is the subject. If the question word already acts as a subject, then an auxiliary word is not needed here. For example, number one is who teacher your English? No need does. Number two, what happened yesterday? No need did. Example convention question words. Najwa, hi Zahra, where are you going? Zahra, hi, I am going to library. Najwa, oh really? When will you come back? Zahra, maybe at 4 p.m. I have to finish my homework. Najwa, okay, good luck. Conclusion. Question words are used to find out information. There are six main question words. The 5W plus 1H. What, where, when, who, why, and how. How has five variations. Question words also have a structure. Thank you for your attention. More and less I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.